Rangahau is, for me, is to reclaim my own ways of knowing. And the ways of knowing is not only just my present ways of knowing, it is about reclaiming my ancestral truths, and which is unobservable and unseen, because I come from a worldview which actually defines me as a spiritual being, not a human being even. So I am the whole spiritual being, but human being is part of it. Every day, every moment of my life is being used by the ways that I don't see. I don't see them. I don't see who said to do this. Always my life was guided by unseen truths. And I saw when I was teaching how my akonga, my students were presenting their models of practice, which were based on completely unseen truths of their life. And I was so inspired, and I feel so guilty that nobody in this world taught me that part of my life. And I thought that I will keep my Islam, my worldview, my religion, my spirituality at home. And then I become a social worker in Aotearoa without letting people know that who I am really. So by Rangahau, Wānanga taught me that research is to see the truth. You have to observe the truth, verify the truth. But actually, by Rangahau, what I learned from Wānanga is that your truth is your truth, whether it is seen or unseen.